dark and deep. Bare hard like Khan and Neek. Dead bars now can't with neeks. Get farmed like dark and reach. This beat is like where darkness sleeps. Defeat in your eyes when you bar with me. It's a part of the last degree, but you can't help but be like raw and agree. Going deeper and darker. In the alley I Spider-Man, no Peter Parker. I rap man art, no Peter Parker. Got white in my hand, no Peter Parker. Might fight with a fan, no Peter Parker. Might fight with a man, no Peter Parker. Take on your whole gang, no Peter Parker. Best friends with an Iron Man, no Peter Parker.
Vaders!
I can't be stopped like back when Skepta Ed Hardy bought. I came in the game and I had the best entrance, like they were playing Ed Hardy's song. Writing my name on the map with permanent ink, like Ed Hardy's one. My bars will last long, your bars will pass on. If you spat one then I can't stand that bar, like I was out and about with a jar and half gone. You're a jarring one, all these MCs marches lying to their faces since they were half of one. And I can't really blame them for trying to support their darling, some of my armies won. Are whack when you say him with chest, that's a heart attack. I'll paint a man red, put his face on a TV like he's presenting Art Attack. Put you in the ground like an artifact, send you back home with your armor pack. AJ Palmer, man's in a flat cap backwards. Come round here, get a fat slap backwards. Backhand make a man fall backwards. He gets smoked, no backwards. Chat bland man, I get a backhand. Big mark on your face, that's not a suntan. No reverse card in the face.